the side wind, straightforward eyes on the...
Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to do these beautiful boho locks. They are these short ones because I like the short ones. They're super cute. I feel like this video is beginner friendly, I guess. Anybody can do locks, especially if your hair is already parted and it's braided up. Like if you go to a salon, just ask her to part and plait your hair. You can go home and you can do this. Anybody can do this. I personally feel like it. But yes, stay tuned for the tutorial. Again, very beginner friendly. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, for this style, I start off with a lot of moisturizer because I've recently learned that moisturizer is what helps retain your length. So this is just some moisturizer by, what is it, Tingen? I don't know, Tingen, I don't know. But I'm just sectioning off my hair, putting a bunch of moisturizer in it, and just brushing it out and then sectioning it off. And then here are the locks I'm using. They are 12-inch boho locks. I will link them in the description box below. They are, of course, obviously and always from Amazon. Where else would I shop? Here is the wrapping hair you'll need. Is by Free Tress. This is the color 1. That is 16 inches. And this pack was only $7.99. And I only used one, like 2 little, you see how it's 3 packs, I only use like 2 of them. This is the Murray's Edge Wax I'll be using to part my hair off. And here I am going through the parting process. Okay, now I'm going to show how I add the lock-in. So you want to start off with 3 pieces, just your natural hair. You want to braid down, and then I take the lock and slide it onto one of the strands of hair, and I continue to braid as normal while adding in the lock. And there's different methods to do this. The lower you add the lock in, the longer the locks will be. I will say that. But me personally, I don't mind a little extra length because I like my locks to be not so bulky at the root. That's why I add them in like this. This is what I have done so far. Let me turn. Oh my Lord. I hope I got a good little angle because yeah, this is what she's looking like. I still have to add what's that called? I still have to add hair obviously and like wrap it around, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I have work at 7 a.m. It is currently 2:15 a.m. and I'm really not tired, and I'm running out of hair. Like, I have this and I have like a few others, and then some of them I can't even find it, but some of them were just like straight and then curly at the end, and I don't really like that. What is that? Why is that? You know? So this is what we're looking like. I'm loving it already. I love these locks because I literally leave, and I'm not a person who leaves their hair up long because I always do my own hair. I've been doing my own hair for years, but I love these because you can literally leave them in for a month and a half and still get compliments. I don't know what that is, but I'm about to keep it going. At this point, I'm halfway done. Now I'm about to show the wrapping process. So I take one of the pieces of the free tress hair that I showed. I use my crochet hook to just slide that right on through. Then I begin to wrap, which, I cut some off, cut a little excess off because these are shorter, so they don't need to be longer. Well, my hair is shorter, actually, so the hair doesn't need to be longer, but you just want to take it and you want to wrap around. And one thing I didn't mention about the style is that when you do this, the braids you do in the beginning don't necessarily have to be super tight or anything like that, because it's going to become tighter after, you know, adding your wrapping hair. But I just wrap. Then when I get to the very end of the wrapping process, you'll see me take a little bit of nail glue, and you're just using one little dot. It's not a lot at all. Yeah, like that little, that's all you need. You might need one more little drop. Yep, but that's quite literally it. And you're gonna see me just wrap my whole head for the rest of the process of doing my hair, pretty much. I have a little section in the back that I need to do, but that's all there's to it.
Always taking all day time. I got with a nigga. But you don't waste a take on. What am I missing? Seem like a game or from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me at the club, one hit it. I don't wanna know. Keep playing. Love is a losing game.
Alright, so I officially got done with this section, this whole side. See what she's looking like. Thumbnail. Kidding. All I have to do is these and these, so I have like 8 of them left to do. I literally had to go to the store to buy this hair oil because I have no hair oil, and I realized that like the other day. And normally that's not, you know, that's not me. Like, I don't just not have hair oil laying around my house. Like, what? I did have hair oil, but I feel like the kind I had didn't really work, if you catch my drift. Like, I don't know. So
I'd be a hoe. What am I missing? Always taking all day time. I got with a nigga. But you don't waste a take on. What am I missing? Seem like a game or from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me at the club, one hit it. I don't wanna know. Keep playing.
Now, I will say I did cut some of the curls out, because let me show you. Like here, this has like one curl, but there are some, if I can find any left. Yeah, okay. This has two. Like any of the ones that had two, like I kind of cut the like one off, because two was just a bit much for me personally. I wasn't vibing with two, basically is what I'm saying.
Might be a hoe. What am I missing? Always taking up late time. I got with a nigga. It's just too much to take on. What am I missing? Seem like a game or from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me at the club, one hit it. I don't wanna know. Keep playing. Love is a losing game, and I just can't take no more. No more. Say love might be a hoe. What am I missing?
Lately I've been doing like a low ponytail on this style, so that's exactly what I'm about to do.
Might be a hoe. What am I missing? Always taking up late time. I got with a nigga. It's just too much to take on. What am I missing? Seem like a game or from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me at the club, one hit it. I don't wanna know. Keep playing.
Okay, for reference, in the back of my head I have 7 rows. The reason I go like this is because when you get to the top, they're very narrow, so technically it's 6 rows. If you catch my drift, like basically the top row has 3, then the second row under the top row has 4, and so on and so forth. But it's 7, but really the top one's so little, it's like basically 6. And then front of my head, there are 10 rows in total. There is 5 on this side and 5 on this side. And then starting off, I have 2 in this row, 3 in this row, 4 in this row, 5, 5, and the exact same on that side. If you've made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and comment some video ideas or some hairstyles or just certain, I don't know, different content you want to see, because I always run out of ideas and I want to start posting more frequently. So yes, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for another video.